Manually checking a spreadsheet every week to see what's due is a waste of time, and it's easy to miss something. In this video we automate that completely, so every Monday an email lands in your inbox listing exactly what's due in the next 7 days, pulled straight from an Excel table in SharePoint. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Power Automate, click Create, then select Scheduled Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name and set it to repeat every week. In this example we use every Monday at 6 a.m. Click Create. Step 2. Add the list rows present in a table action. Add the list rows present in a table action and connect it to your SharePoint site and document library. Browse to your Excel file and select the table that contains your deadlines. In this example we are using a table with the description, department, priority, and due date columns. Step 3. Filter the rows for upcoming deadlines. Add a filter array action and set the source to the value from the previous step. Click on Edit in advanced mode and use expression. Since Excel stores dates internally as a serial number instead of a real date, the expression first converts that number back into an actual date. Once converted, it checks that the due date falls between the start of today and 7 days from now, and only those rows move forward to the next step. The full expression is shown on screen and is also included in the description for copying. 2 things to watch out for when copying this expression into your own flow. First, the number 7 is just an example. You can change it to any number of days you want to look ahead. Second, the column name due date inside the expression must exactly match the name of your own column, so make sure to rename that part if your column is called something different. Step 4. Build the HTML table with custom columns. Add a Create HTML table action and set the source to the body output of the filter array action. By default this action is set to automatic, and all columns will be used. Switching to custom lets you choose exactly which columns appear, in whatever order you like, with your own header names. For this tutorial we use custom and add 4 columns: description, department, priority, and due date. For the first 3, the value pulls the matching field directly from each row. For due date, the value uses a small expression that converts the same serial number again, but this time formats the result into a readable date, shown in day, month, year order. This expression can also be copied from the description below. Step 5. Build the summary email. Add a Send an Email V2 action. In this example the To field uses our own email address, and the subject is set to Weekly Deadline Summary. In the body, add a short intro line and then insert the output from the Create HTML table action. Step 6. Save and test the flow. Save the flow and run a test. In this example today is the 29th of June 2026. So with a 7-day window the summary will include every deadline up until the 6th of July. The flow will check the table, pull in the rows due within that range, and send a neatly formatted summary email straight to your inbox with readable dates instead of serial numbers. That's it. Your weekly deadline summary email is now fully automated and will keep your team updated without any manual checking. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, drop a comment with your own automation ideas, and subscribe for more Power Automate tutorials.